Hey, popping up here. What if you could learn real leadership strategies from people actually shaping the future of electronics, supply chain, and manufacturing? Welcome to Leadership Manufacturing Podcast. We are shaping the next generation of industry leaders. Each episode delivers actionable insights, people-first strategies from executives, innovators, and chain makers who know what it takes to adapt, motivate, and lead forward. And I have a fun fact here. According to McKinsey, companies that invest in leadership and skill development are 1.5 times more likely to maintain high performance. I think that's the power of leadership done right? And that's what this show is all about. I'm your host, Sannah Vinding. I'm a strategic leader with over 20 years of experience in B2B marketing, product development, and helping people grow into confident, capable leaders. You will hear practical lessons, honest conversation, and real-world tools that today's leaders are using to communicate better, build stronger teams, and drive sustainable growth. Follow the show, subscribe, join me on YouTube or on the website. Just search for Leadership in Manufacturing. And there's no fluff here, just the insight, inspiration you need to grow, lead, and make an impact. Subscribe today. Give me that like. Stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.